Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. A sculptor made a replica of the Aztec calendar. This calendar has a diameter of 3.6 meters. Approximately, what is the area of the calendar in square meters? So if we're looking at our question one more time, approximately, what is the area? So we are looking for the area. And if we look at the calendar, what shape do we have? It's a circle. And we know that too because they gave us diameter, and diameter is for circles. So that we're looking for the area of a circle. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is look in our formula chart and find the formula for area of a circle. Do you see it? Yes. Area equals pi r squared. R stands for radius, so we need the radius. Do we have the radius? We don't. What did they give us? That's correct. They gave us the diameter. So remember, the diameter is the distance from one side through the center across to the other side. So that means the diameter of 3.6 is going to help us find the radius. Because even though I do not have the radius, I know the relationship between diameter and radius. And so if the diameter is 3.6, the radius is half that amount. So to find the radius, we will need to divide 3.6 by 2 to get half. And that will give us 1.8. Our units are in meters. So now that we know the radius from the center to the edge of the circle, the radius is 1.8. So now that we know the radius, we can substitute in our area formula the symbols and the variables. So let's go ahead and do that. So pi is 3.14. Our radius, we figured out, is 1.8, and we will be squaring the radius. So we will do the exponent first. So 1.8 to the power of 2 is 3.24. That will be multiplied by pi, which is 3.14. So to find our area, we will multiply 3.14 times 3.24. Okay, so go ahead and take a moment to multiply pi, which is 3.14, times 3.24. Okay, did you get your product? So the product is 10.1736. I will make sure to put our units, which are squared meters. Okay, and they did tell us to approximate, and we look at our answers, and the answers are only going to the hundredths place. So if we look at our number, 10.1736, up to the hundredths place, we're just going to take a look at the number in the thousandths place to see if we have to round up or not. So the number is 3. If it's 4 or less, we just let it rest. We don't do anything to the 10.17. If it was 5 or more, we would add one more. In this case, we don't need to. So we're going to put 10.17 and I find my answer. It's D, 10.17 squared meters. So I select D as my correct answer.